I'm Reen from Embroidery Garden, and I am excited to be coming to Mulqueen Sewing and Fabrics in Tempe, Arizona, October 23rd, 24th, and 25th. I've got 6 in the hoop projects for us to stitch. There's one person to a machine, so you'll get all the projects done if you choose. Darren has divided the projects into 3 groups of 2 with a morning and afternoon class for each. You sign up for the projects you want to stitch and choose either the morning or afternoon session. I'm sure you're going to want to do all 6 projects. Let's take a look at them. First up is a beautiful fall-themed hanging mini banner. It's perfect for displaying through Thanksgiving and features some fringed flowers. It hangs on one of the small stands through the hanger at the top of the banner. Then I'll show you how to create a custom name keychain right on the machine. No software is needed. You'll be able to create keychains with any text or design that you want once you know the steps. These make fun, quick, personalized gifts. The second pairing includes a cute round zipper bag that's fully lined with no raw edges or exposed stitching inside. Then we'll stitch a fun small flap style clutch that you can personalize with quilting fills right off the machine. The third set of designs includes a great gift idea. This fully lined pouch can hold a bag of cookie mix, wooden spoons, spatulas, kitchen towel, or whatever you desire. It makes a great hostess gift and can double as a pot holder. Then we'll create a stocking that's fully lined with no raw edges inside that you'll be able to customize the cuff. Look at that cute, fun plaid that is stitched by the machine. No matter whether you choose to stitch all of the projects or just a few, we're going to have a blast and you're going to learn some new techniques, tips, and tricks. Head on over to mulqueen.com and click on classes. Register now, and I'll see you in October.